Welcome back to the Amazon SES Workshop Deep Dive series. I'm Gautam from AWS, and in our previous session, we explored list management and subscription handling. Now, in this final video of our series, we will dive deep into the last lab, Lab 5, focusing on email templates and personalization. These are essential features for creating engaging and scalable email communications. Let's continue with our awesome newsletter scenario. You want to create consistent, branded emails that can be customized for different customer segments. For example, tech enthusiasts should receive tech focused content, while health enthusiasts will receive wellness content. Email templates save time and help ensure consistency in branding and messaging across multiple emails, while personalization with dynamic content can significantly increase engagement and response rates. This lab covers three main areas that work together to create a comprehensive templating solution: creating email templates for consistent branding, adding dynamic content for personalization, and sending bulk emails efficiently using these templates. Let's start with the first section of this lab, that is, creating email templates. In this section, we will create an HTML email template that serves as the foundation for our awesome newsletter communications. First, we will create a new file named awesomenewslettertemplate.html using the HTML structure provided in the workshop and save it. This template includes proper styling with CSS, a clean layout with maximum width of 600 pixels for optimal email client compatibility, and sections for our newsletter content including a header, greeting, article list, and also a footer. The workshop provides a complete HTML template that creates a professional looking newsletter with Arial font family, styled headers in a dark gray color, and a footer section for unsubscribed links. When you preview this HTML in a browser, you will see a clean branded newsletter layout as provided in the image here. Now, let's add this template to SES using the AWS CLI using Cloud Shell. We will create a YAML file called awesomenewslettertemplate.yaml with our template configuration. This YAML file specifies the template name as Awesome Newsletter Template, includes the subject line Awesome Newsletter Monthly Digest, and references our HTML file content. Using the create email template command from the workshop, we will register this template with Amazon SES. Once created, we can also verify our template was successfully added by using the get email template command, which will return the template details including the HTML and text paths. That's good. Now moving to the next lab, we will be personalizing email templates with dynamic content. This is where we transform our static template into a dynamic personalized communication tool using Amazon SES template data and replacement tags. Here, we will update our HTML template file here to include replacement tags using handlebar notations from the workshop. This shows how to add name for the recipient name, interest area for content customization based on their preferences, and Amazon SCS unsubscribe URL for integrated subscription management that we set up in our previous lab. These handlebar placeholders tell Amazon SCS exactly where to substitute dynamic content when sending emails. For example, allow name becomes allow John Doe when we provide the appropriate template data. To update our existing template in SES, we will use the update email template command from the workshop. This is different from our initial creation. We are modifying an existing template here rather than creating a new one. Now, we can test our personalized template by sending an email using the send email command with the template data. The workshop provides an example where we pass JSON data containing the recipient's name as John Doe and an interest area as technology. We also include our list management option to ensure the unsubscribe functionality works correctly. We can also see the email in our inbox here. When recipients receive this email, they will see their personalized name and content tailored to their interests, creating a much more engaging experience than generic communications. And finally, for the last lab in this video, we'll be sending bulk emails with templates. This is where we scale our personalized email communications to reach multiple recipients efficiently while maintaining individual personalization. Let's prepare for our bulk email data by creating a bulk email data.json file as provided in the workshop. This JSON structure includes our sender address, default template content, and an array of bulk email entries. Each entry can have different recipient information and personalized template data. And make sure to replace the email addresses and other details here with the actual recipient email address information. In this case, I'll just be walking through this to show how the template works. The workshop example shows how to send personalized emails to multiple recipients. John Doe receives technology content while Jane Smith receives health related content, all using the same base template but with different personalization data. Using the send bulk email command from the workshop, we can efficiently send our personalized newsletter to all recipients in our bulk email data file. This approach allows us to scale our email marketing efforts while maintaining the personal touch that increases engagement. Before we conclude, I want to highlight the optional challenges provided in this workshop. These advanced scenarios are designed to help you dive deeper into real world email management challenges that awesome newsletter might face. While these exercises can be time consuming, these provide invaluable hands on experiences with advanced SES capabilities and real world problem solving. Moving back to templates. This complete email template and personalization setup gives us powerful capabilities for scalable email communications. We have consistent branding across emails through all our HTML templates, personalized content for each recipient using dynamic replacement tags, efficient bulk sending capabilities for reaching large audiences, and integrated subscription management for compliance and user control. Throughout this workshop series, we have built a comprehensive email management solution using Amazon SES. We started with basic setup and identity verification, explored different sending methods, implemented robust monitoring and event tracking, established proper list management and suppression handling, and finally created scalable templating solutions with personalization. These capabilities work together to ensure that we can maintain professional, engaging email communications while respecting recipient preferences, complying with best practices, and maintaining excellent sender reputation and delivery dates. Thank you for joining me throughout this Amazon SCS workshop deep dive series. I hope you have found these hands on demonstrations valuable for understanding how to implement comprehensive email solutions using Amazon SCS. Happy emailing and thank you for watching.